$10,000 Boss Up Grant by She Boss Talks. If you are a business owner, you need extra money for inventory, you need money to hire someone so it's not just you, and you need money for marketing. This $10,000 can take your business from struggling to actually scaling. Okay, so let's go.
Cover me. Cover me cute now. I got the juice now. The radiance, the modesty, it's everything. Honestly, all the things that point to a woman of quality, the true essence of my beauty. That's why they follow me. They want to get a look like this. Yeah, probably. Cover me cute now.
Hello, everyone. My name is Idayat, and I'm the owner and the creative designer behind Cover Me Cute. At Cover Me Cute, we help busy women save time and boost self confidence by designing show stopping, size inclusive, effortless, modest fashion. Apart from being a fashion designer, I'm also a business coach with over a decade of business experience. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I'm a nurse, and I love absolutely everything I do. If you are new to this channel, comment newbie below. And if you're an OG, hey sis, welcome back. Okay. Today we are talking about the She Boss Talks Boss Up Grant $10,000. On this channel, just in case you're new, we're talking about everything growing your business, selling online, selling from the comfort of your home as a mom. This is why it's called a Wealthy Moms Club, right? We are trying as much as possible to create generational wealth so we can build a legacy that we can transfer from generation to generation. So if you haven't subscribed, if you're a newbie, hit the subscription button now so you do not miss out, because I produce at least 3 videos weekly that can help you take your business to the next level. If you have already subscribed, have you liked this post? Have you clicked the notification button? So as soon as the next video hits, you will be one of the first person to know. Because when it comes to grants, you want to be as quick as possible. Okay, so today we're talking about the She Boss Talks grant program. Just like I tell you in every other grant, it is very important to read about the grant giver so you understand the lens they are looking at the grant through, and how you can write your grant application to relate to their mission and vision. So let's see. My computer is right here in front of me, and you can go to form.jotform.com/slash she boss talk slash she dash boss slash up slash grant slash partner slash inviteo. I'm gonna leave that link somewhere around this video because I know that was a lot, but you're gonna see it somewhere around this video when I edit it. So She Boss Up Grant Program Partner Invitation. Hello and welcome. You are invited to partner with us 2024 She Boss Up Grant Program to offer the biggest and the best grant award package to applicants to date. Why you should get involved? Because it is a movement. We are impacting the business of women, which impacts their communities, families, and the economy. You also have the opportunity to gain vulnerable exposure and visibility by partnering with the globally recognized companies whose leaders have been in forefront helping thousands of business thrive and launch. Okay, it is very important to read about why She Boss started their program and why they're giving out this $10,000, right? On the application, a lot of times the applications are really, really super easy, like very, very easy to apply for. I'm about to open the application form here, but before you apply, always go to the About Me page to read about the grant giver. Okay, and this application closes by the end of July, so you still have time, but do not procrastinate. Set the alarm, set that time on your calendar so you can get this application out. And if you think you need help in winning grants or bringing your business idea to life or scaling your business because you're not getting consistent sales, you need to join my Patreon, and the link is below. If you feel like you want to talk with me one-on-one for 15 minutes, you can book a free 15 minutes consultation call, and that could help open you up for an opportunity to actually work one-on-one with me through my mentorship program. Okay, the link will also be below. Okay, so you are a business owner. You are always feeling alone. You feel like you're doing the whole world. Instead of you working a 9 to 5, you're now working 24/7. I know how that feels because I'm a business owner too. But the way I give back to my community is to hold people's hands like you, to mentor you into your business. If you have a business idea or you already have a business and you just need that support to guide you, to direct you, you can comment mentorship below and I can add you to the list so you can get more information about my 60-day mentorship. I'll see you in the program. So, about us. She Boss Talks is empowered by She Epic Media, a broadcast media marketing company and network with a live show podcast, and She Speaks Her Mind blog. We raise the brand awareness of women in business to amplify their impact, influence, and income. We encourage women to leverage our platform to expand their own. Visit our website to learn how you can get involved. Meet our grant committee. So they have a committee of grantors that you can meet on their page. Eligibility is also there. You have to be women owned at least 51%. Your business has to have 25 or less employees. So if it's just you, you qualify. Your business revenue has to be less than $500,000 annually. Your business must be properly registered. So if you haven't registered your LLC and get your EIN number, what is you waiting for? You're not even a business yet. Okay. You must have a business bank account. You must plan to use the grant to support your business or your community. Business must not have been a prior She Boss Up grant recipient. So if you have ever won a grant from She Boss Up grant, you cannot apply for this. Business owners must participate in promotional activities, provide within and video testimonials. Okay. So they actually have 5 places for the grant, which I think is awesome. First place goes home with a $2,500 whooping cash prize. The second person goes home with a $1,500. The third person goes home with $1,000. The next is a special tribe grant, which is also 1,000, and the fourth place goes home with $750. I mean, there is no small amount in all these amounts. Even if you just win $750, what will you do? Comment below. If you were to win $750 free money for your business, how would it impact your business? What would you do with the money so it can make you more money in future? Comment below. And you don't only get cash prizes, but you also get mentorship. You get like they're actually giving you an entrepreneur life apparel. So you get like a t-shirt, you get an iPad worth $799. Are you freaking kidding me right now? People Gift Box Digital, you get business card that is worth $59. You get holistic living consulting wellness session that is worth $749. Oh my God, this is a whole package. Like, I need to go ahead and hurry up and apply before you get there. But I just wanted to share this grant opportunity with you because I know a lot of times as business owners, we're short. Our cash flow is not cash flowing. Okay, so if you want your cash flow to cash flow, make sure you read about the She Boss grant. Apply, don't procrastinate. Make sure you're taking action. Do not forget to subscribe to Wealthy Mom Club. This page right here. Click the red button below. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you can get notifications when I come live and when I have my next post off. Don't also forget, like, sharing is caring. Share this video out with at least one business owner or your friend that has a business idea. They might get this money so they can use it to start their business. Okay. And investing $10,000 in your business could mean a return of $1,000,000 in the nearest future. So go ahead and do it. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Once again, it's your girl Idaya. And don't forget to subscribe.